So this is the sum of all my purses, my bags, my wallets, my fanny packs, everything. 10, 11, 12, 13. That's it. Goodbye. Alright, so these are all the purses, handbags, backpacks that I have left. There are like 8 in total. So yeah, I think we did pretty good. So that's it for day 1. And I'll see you guys in day whatever. I'm keeping these and getting rid of these. I love these. They're so cute, but they're too small. Literally, when I wear them, I have to prepare myself to be in pain. So that literally doesn't make sense. So next, we're gonna tackle the ones that are in my closet. It's gonna be so hard because off the bat I already know there's a lot of them I don't wear, like I did not touch at all this year or last year. But okay, like my booties, I don't want to touch those, but okay. Yo, I forgot about these. Never. These are cute. I'm not getting rid of these. Nope. Sorry, minimalism. Alright, so I'm not sure if this is minimizing, but it's quite a lot to me. But anyway, so these are the amount of shoes that I am throwing away or giving away. These are brand new, honestly. I'm so sad. They're new, but I lost the strap for one. I try to use like ribbon to tie it, but it hurts. I'm getting rid of these. Look, these socks, some of these socks are brand new, but I cannot find the matching pair, so bye. Alright, so that is it for today. I'm only doing 3. I'm gonna try to do 3 per day. Obviously, I'm not doing it day by day because that'll take literally 30 days, which I know that's the point of it, but listen, I don't this was not as bad compared to last time when I tried to do everything in one day. That's when it's a problem. So alright, so this was pretty easy, and I'm done for today, and I'll see you guys the next day. Yes, no's, maybes. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the maybes. Like, they're clothes that I don't reach out for, but some of them are still new. Some of them I only wore once. So I'm like, alright, the piles are getting bigger. We're almost done. Well, actually, no, we still have some clothes in here, so never mind. And then there was nothing left. Y'all, these are all... Oh my gosh, I lied. I still have clothes here. Why I keep forgetting? Ugh. I like this shirt, but the writings always throw me off whenever I wear it. I'm like, I don't know if I want to wear that today. So yeah, I'll get rid of it. This is where I keep all my shorts, my summer clothes. Okay, I'm keeping this. I'm keeping this. Wow. I have not worn this. It's really cute, but nope. This is really cute, but I'm getting too thick, so it gotta go. This is my most thoughty shorts. So, I don't know. All right, these are officially all of my clothes. All of the clothes that I own, plus these. These are everything that I am absolutely sure that I am keeping. Now this is my confusion pile. This is my bye-bye, so long, farewell, gotta go. All right, so far I have 3 bags of things that I am going to either donate or throw away. I'm not selling anything this time, so. Look at my posture. Wow. Oh, okay. Oh, I'm not ready. I'm not ready. I'm not ready. I'm not ready. I'm really not ready. Okay, I'm gonna start with the bottom because that's easy. Welcome to my bathroom. This is where I keep my hair products up here. Let's just go up. Let's go. Oh, Lord Jesus. I have health insurance, so we're good. Don't worry, this is not chocolate milk. If you're Haitian, you know what's in here. Or maybe not. It's castor oil from Haiti. Y'all, I thought I was done, but I forgot. I have not. Oh my goodness. I know everyone has a trunk drawer, and this is mine. Look at this. I did not follow any steps that was in this book. I didn't even finish it though. Grad school essentials. In my opinion, try to survive one day at a time. You know, I'm gonna try to cook in 2020 to find me my husband. That's the key to my heart. Who wants it?